Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this 3D design for this Zara cap. Stay tuned. First thing we'll be needing is our pattern. So we'll just draw a leaf shaped pattern on a cardboard or a carrion or a plain paper. Then you place it on your aso-oke or any fabric of your choice. You start cutting out the pattern the way I'm doing it. You start cutting out the pattern. For this design, we have two different shapes of the leaf. We have the bigger one, which is the first one we made, and the smaller shape. So it depends on how big you want the leaf to look, or how big you want your design to be, or how small you want your design to be. Then you start marking it in the in your fabric, either your aso-oke or the fabric you want to use in making the design. So if you are just joining us for the first time, please, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment and share. Thank you. So you just cut it out, you just mark it out. This one, now we are marking out two shapes of this. We are marking out two different shapes. Okay, the first one was the big one. This is the second shape. Now, as you can see, this one is smaller than the first one. Stay tuned, just watch closely. So finish marking it out. These are two different shapes. The next thing we'll be moving to is to cut out the shapes. We'll be cutting out the shapes. So you cut out the two different sizes. You cut it out separate. It depends on how full you want it or how wide you want it. You can make yours smudge, you can make it bigger. We have cut out the whole shapes. Then we'll move over to using our lighter, the lighter, to burn the edges. If we had made use of soldering iron, we will not be needing to burn the edges, but because we did not use the other method, we use this scissors method, cutting with the scissors. So you have to burn the whole edges. So after burning it, we'll move over to putting our wire, hot wire, and our trimmings. So that's the hot wire and this is the trimmings. But first, you cut out your trimmings. After cutting out your trimmings, you add your B6000, B8000, B8000, B7000, anyone. It will work the same thing. So you add your gum. It's called E6000 or B7000 or N. It has different brand. So we first of all add it, then you start putting your bead wire. You see the way I'm doing it. You first of all put your gum, then you place your bead wire on it, round at the edge of it, the edges. You place it round. Once you place it, you get to the ending part. you cut it out. You cut out the excess. So you do the same thing to the second one. That's how you're going to do it to everything before you now add your trimmings to it. The essence of the trimmings is to cover the wire and to make your finishing neat, to make your work neat, to beautify it, because like this now is not beautiful, but the essence of the wire is just to make it neat and to make your finishing very neat. So this is how it looks like after applying the trimmings on it. Then you do it for every other one. But over here now we're attacking the design. We tag them together, and for tacking this you use your needle and thread, but the thread you use is the matching color of the fabric. You just place it round, then you just watch the way I did it, watch closely. After tacking it you start bending it at the edges. You know, because of the beading wire that is there, is a soft wire actually, so it's flexible enough to bend. So you start bending it, start giving it a nice shape. You will not just leave it straight, and you can decide to do a straight one. It depends on the design you want to create, you understand? So you do the same thing for the second one also. You tack, you start giving it that beautiful and lovely shapes at the edges. Then you join the two of them together. So this is it. We've created out the two, but you place the small one inside, then the big one will be outside. You use your needle and thread also to join it together. So after joining it with your needle and thread, I'm sorry that my camera could not cover some parts of this video. I'm really sorry. So after placing it together, then you use your UHU gum or your needle and thread or your candle gum to gum the back, to gum it to the Zara cap, or to gum it to your clothes, to gum it to your dress, to gum it to anything you want to design, and it will come out beautiful. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you.